look like you could use some help.
Oh, thank you. I'm trying to find an article on this database.
Okay. And is this for your class? Is your teacher
Yes.
asking for a peer-reviewed source maybe?
Yes, he's asking for both peer-reviewed and professional.
Okay. So what you want to do, these are all, I see you've already logged into the portal, which is great, and you can see from this screen all the different databases that we subscribe to. And probably the best one to try is this one right here called EBSCO Host. It's a really broad one with a lot of different choices.
Okay.
So if we click right here where it says EBSCO Host Web,
Okay.
and if you scroll down, you can see that there are about 20 different types of databases within here. But the two broadest ones that have the best choices probably are the very first ones, the Master File Premier. This one has over 1,750 different reference type sources and magazines and journals. And the one below it called Academic Search Premier, which is also very broad and multidisciplinary, but it's focused more on academic topics.
Okay.
So we can click both of those,
Okay.
and then if we click Continue, it's going to search both of them at the same time.
Okay.
Okay? Now from this screen, what's really important is you want to click right here where it says Full Text. That way every article that you pull up, it'll have the whole article. Otherwise, if you forget, then sometimes it'll just have a summary, not the whole article.
Okay.
But if you do forget, you still have a second chance later on.
Okay.
Okay, also you might want to click here where it says Peer Reviewed because your teacher was asking for a peer-reviewed source. Those are
Okay.
usually more authoritative. And now up here at the top, you can put in your search terms. And what's your topic?
Children with dyslexia.
Okay, so you can just type in children, and you can put and dyslexia or just children dyslexia.
Okay.
And now you want to click where it says search.
Okay.
Okay, so here's all your results right here.
Okay.
And you'll notice on the left-hand side there's other ways that you can narrow down your search. But it looks like you already have some pretty good results right there.
Okay.
And your first one right here, you'll notice that it has, this is the title, and then it tells you the author and what journal and how many pages are in it. And then if we click on it, it'll give us a little bit more information. So go ahead and click on the title.
Okay.
Okay, now you'll notice at the top here, there is a symbol for HTML, and there's also a symbol for a PDF full text. And sometimes your article will have just HTML, and sometimes it'll have PDF too. This one has both. And PDF will look like it's been scanned completely. So if there was any pictures or graphs or charts, it would show it in the PDF version. But the HTML is sometimes just easier to work with. So let's click on where it says the HTML. And now it brings up the full text for us. And at the beginning there's an abstract, and an abstract is a summary, so you could read that just to see if it's helpful or not. On the left-hand side here, you notice you can, since it's HTML, what that allows you to do is to jump around in the article. So here's, if you just wanted to go straight to the method, the results, the questions, all those are on the left-hand side, so you can click over there. Or we can read the whole article right here on the screen.
Okay.
And at the top here, you've got lots of options. You could, like I said, read it on the screen, or if you wanted to email it to yourself, if you click there on the envelope, it'll let you email it to yourself so you can read it at home. Or if you wanted to print it out here on campus, if you click there on the printer symbol, then it would send it over there to the system printer and you could print it out. You also could save it to, if you have like a jump drive or a USB drive, you could save it to that. So you have lots of different options here on how to retrieve and read your article.
Thank you.